this tutorial, we're going to look at the idea of a constant in Visual Basic. So I want to create a new project, making sure it's Visual Basic, Windows Classic Desktop, Console App are selected. And then I'm going to name the file as the project is constants. Click OK. Now we've already had a look at the nature of a variable. The contents of the variable can change at any point in our program, whenever we want it to. The opposite to this is a constant. Now not all languages support constants, but Visual Basic does. Like a variable, we need to declare the constant first, and it's very similar syntax to declaring a variable. A key difference is that we use the word const instead of dim. Then we give the constant a name, its identifier. So I'm going to call that tax rate as, and then we give it its data type. I'm going to give that a double. At this point, we also must add a second thing to a constant. Because, as its name suggests, constant, the value of this variable, tax rate, cannot change at all during program execution, the complete opposite to a variable, in fact. Because it can't change, we have to assign a value in the same line in which it's declared. We have to initialize that constant. So const tax rate as double equals, let's say, 0.15. Now I can use the constant identifier tax rate anywhere in my code as if it was a variable. It's just what I can't do is ever try and update the value of tax rate during program execution. If I write some code that does that, my program will actually crash. In the next tutorial, you can look at some of the ideas of naming conventions with variables and constants.